Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can log into ADP Workforce. If this sounds interesting to you, then keep watching this video till the end and subscribe to this channel if you haven't already and turn on the notifications so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos. Now to log into your account, you'll first need to open up a web browser and then in the search bar of a web browser, type in ADP Workforce. As soon as you hit enter, you will be presented with a bunch of options. You'll need to enter the first option which says ADP Workforce. Now start by typing in your user ID. If you want this website to remember your user ID, then you can check this box. So next time you won't have to enter in your user ID. After you're done, you can click next. Now, you'll need to enter the password. Make sure that your password is correct. But if you don't remember your password, you can click on this forgot password button. From there, you can reset your password and also create a new password. When you're done filling in this information, you can click on sign in. And from there, you'll be logged into your ADP Workforce account. So I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and I'll be back soon with more videos similar